Got your question here. You're wondering how to find the critical values, and so you have a question up here. I guess what you got to zero in on is alpha. Alpha is 0.1, and it's you've already identified it's a two-tailed test. So to find the critical values, you need alpha, and that's two-tailed test, and then that'll give you this information. So alpha is 0.1. 1 minus alpha is 0.9. So you could do this by hand, or I just again chose the calculator, the StatCrunch. I mean, so you go into StatCrunch, click on Stat and Calculators. You bring up this normal calculator, and so it's a two-tailed test. Since it's two-tailed test, you click on between, and if it's left or right tailed, that use standard, but it's two-tailed, so you click between, and since z-score, you leave these alone, 0 and 1, and you put this 0.9 in here, and that's the 0.9 is this area in red, and the area remaining, is the 0.1. You got 0.05, you got half of it here, 0.05, you got the other half over here, 0.05. If you're doing it by hand, you'd have to worry about that, but calculator, it does all the heavy lifting. You just put in 0.9 and compute, and it gives you the two critical values you see that you see here. There is a plus and a minus because it's two-tailed test. Hope this helps.